Hi, I'm Tony Kurdzuk, Senior Pro Market Rep at Canon USA. Today I'm going to give you a short overview of the networking features in the Canon EOS-1DX Mark III. In this newest iteration of Canon's flagship DSLR camera, connectivity, remote functionality, and delivery of images over wired and wireless networks has been advanced to the highest level ever offered in a 1D series camera. Let's take a look. All of the EOS-1DX Mark III's connectivity controls are found in this new Network tab of the main menu, including Bluetooth, GPS, and image transfer functions. Different networking functions are possible when using the camera's built-in Wi-Fi, a wired connection via the built-in Ethernet port, or by connecting the optional wireless file transmitter WFT-E9. Like other Canon cameras with built-in Wi-Fi, the EOS-1DX Mark III can communicate with smartphones and tablets using the free Canon Camera Connect app for iOS and Android, allowing for immediate download of images to your device or remote control over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Canon's free EOS utility software provides camera remote operation with an on-screen live view image, direct transfer and download of JPEG and RAW image files, along with access to camera controls and settings using a PC or Mac-based computer. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, lets the photographer transfer images to a standard or secure remote server, either automatically as images are captured or by selecting individual images during playback. There's also the option of transferring selected images by protected status or other search criteria. New with the EOS-1DX Mark III is Browser Remote, which allows access to the camera using just a network IP address. Users can log into the camera using a standard web browser on a computer, smartphone, or tablet. A primary login allows full remote control of the camera with on-screen live view, access to camera settings, image download, changing of pre-programmed FTP servers, and even editing IPTC caption data. Two additional logins allow secondary users permission to view and download images from either of the camera's CF Express card slots. Linked Shot lets up to 10 EOS-1DX Mark III cameras with WFT-E9 transmitters be networked together to fire simultaneously through a primary camera. The primary camera can be fired handheld, remotely via the camera's built-in N3 remote port, or even through a network IP address using Browser Remote. Perhaps most exciting is the EOS-1DX Mark III's ability to simultaneously operate two different functions over the same network connection. For example, controlling the camera through either Browser Remote or EOS Utility, while at the same time transferring images automatically to a remote server using FTP. With the WFT-E9 Wi-Fi transmitter attached, the EOS-1DX Mark III will also allow two wireless access points to be programmed into a single connection set. If your primary SSID connection goes offline, the camera automatically switches to the secondary connection and continues to function on the network. As you can see, there are many different options for utilizing the EOS-1DX Mark III's networking functions, each designed to enhance your workflow with a speed and efficiency never before available in a DSLR camera. Especially for professionals in the photojournalism and sports industries, these functions provide the tools to deliver images in the most demanding situations from both handheld and remote cameras. For more information, visit us at usa.canon.com, and as always, thanks for watching.